Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to be removing the camshaft position sensor on my 2006 Audi A4 B7. Pertains only to the 4 cylinders. I've already got everything loosened for this video, so I'm going to comment what you're going to need down below. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started. Like I said, I got everything loosened and ready for this video. But what you're going to need is either a pair of pliers for this, it's a star bit. I think it's a T25. Yeah, it's a T25. You're going to need a T25 star bit for this. Okay, that's what holds on the camshaft position sensor. Now, the connector, I've already got it loosened, so it wouldn't be a bigger hassle. So, I'm going to scoop that down out of the way, somewhere where it won't get stuck. Okay, and then we're going to wiggle this camshaft position sensor out of here. Okay, there she goes. This is it. This is the crappy eBay one. Never buy off of eBay. It does not work. This is the new one. Go to fcpeuro.com. Get a lifetime warranty. Trust me. I did, and I'm happy about it. This is the new one. They look the same, but the other one did not have the part number on it as this one does right here. So we're gonna go ahead and slide this one into position. Okay. Oh yeah, that's snug right there. Now I'm gonna go ahead, get my T25 screw and screw it back in to the camshaft position sensor. There we go. It's easier to do this by hand, but make sure you've got a snug grip on it so it does not fall. I've had many bolts fall into this motor, and it was a B word trying to find them, so behold, I've got to tighten it with these because it was a B word trying to get a star bit down there, so it's easier to do this way. Where you at? Gotta tighten it up all the way. This is a little harder than I thought it was with these. Okay, that's snug in there. Set those vice grips to the side. I want to find my connector. Here we are. Grab it by the wire, kind of pushed it too down far down there. There we are. Slide that back onto the connecting part on the camshaft position sensor, the new one. Okay. And there you have it, guys. That's how you remove and replace a 2006 Audi A4 B7 camshaft position sensor. If you liked the video, please subscribe and comment down below. Tell me what you think about it. And if you have any more videos you would like for me to post, just let me know. Thank you for watching.